We're not at all worried about Keith Olbermann at Current. In fact, Glenn is not competing with other online news providers. Glenn is competing with the networks, frankly. Um, like I said in my speech today, I really believe that gbtv.com is going to change the way we get news. We've already decided that we want more control over our news consumption. So we go to Twitter, we go to news aggregators, we go to Facebook, so that we can customize our news experience. The networks can't do that. And that doesn't mean the networks are going to be obsolete. It doesn't mean, we're never going to watch television news again. But you're already seeing a decline at outlets like CNN and MSNBC, both in ratings and viewers and in productivity. So we've already decided we prefer to receive our news in a different way. I think that GBTV and maybe other new ventures like it are going to fill this gap in the marketplace for a better news experience. I think that's what